Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
Mite ko chia ko nu kere lai wane kan no don yo ni kare me Christmas do kwa mi on atana tikere speaker me la on Cutural Foundation na wuni nge wona ba to Dr. Lawrence Chen enang bino bibilo ginano na ka de sha wando ja do la ngera tutungi ana tikere minister me information me la on Cutural Foundation Jacob Chen la wunde nge wona tira ba so mede anna mede tinyi mo kanien wa no ko je mo kanu no e kaka ti penyo ala me timi ti penyo unu kede please feel free penyo unu koma ber man pashu ena ana kele wu pashu be bedu unu bai ti bedu ni hotel na pashu so ami to chako kiti me chiel wano tamo ni kwany ni na tinni ni me poyo lao dushu la me ti lao kan la me ti bero kan no kene i Uganda kan kede la me beri diaspora manu la me bero ho amera gina wan tu loko kan la me ti timu no kisha sharing okay di po cha wan tu po yo kede ni wuni nge wunu ni kar mano no ka po tero kar bor wanu yihu na duongwa ama no bero wanya chiwa me la on Cutural Foundation yikere ka no we ho ka chingwa wan jo me la on Cutural Foundation no pat were yeno no ko pere tek wan tu mi tu po gamente me konyowa yika pap yosam pen gino declaring ni yikera bedo official barrio danga me jami ducha pol ti mere gino konyowa ya tata mo po langi dushu mo konyowa pe honi kito kida ko bo kede lai lao kan lai Uganda kan no kene kede do lao kene me ti oho yo konyowa tutwal temi yo yiku na duong yo samiton woro do wana tam ni na tinni o dwok po chi bod lao ke dak bod gamente me Uganda yen ka beno bedo tilinga lian wo wan pe da mutu woro tutwal bod yo na ko bod so manu gimena machela wana tam mi luong wi ya tibi ko biu now gimena mario wana tam mi tinu luongu tin chia rio dihi chia de chia ngwen wando wo ni Christmas wana tam mu luongu me wishing Merry Christmas un job media tiche wuni tiu unu chao kene jo kene pe im appreciating e tiche wuni tiu unu ticha tai pen ba lao kan me jami no tiata ta ni jo duch no tiata mani o an ka loko kiti jo na cha supporting jo ni itenu ngi cha dushun peda de tiu unu shuang ami de timu unu eto wana ta mani luongu e we hopo pitichu but I wishing you people Merry Christmas da pe wun neken langi dushu dong tia ne na wa cha ne wi ma wan tu ko wana mi ti lao dushu do ni Christmas abe yo bet kere yot kom yo bet kere kuch we tunu wuni 2026 aber ngomi wan to tam mi wuni tunu wuni 2026 aber Uganda tini cha wan tu lo ni tikala te pen wan tu ni yera ti jo kana me pengeo pe ko me yera kuma wan wo yera te ba ka una mane ti beru unu ame ti beru kiti unu peti nge yu mo awana tu don yu ni ye baruni beru jo me for state uni beru no jo adikidi winyo ngati ati meri winyo no yera me ti ati meri Africa kan ba uma ti beru ni Tanzania kan ni nenu ono ti atai ame ka wan pe beru no ba jo me Uganda me maru lobo gi apeda te niang unu kila jame ti awot kede chao ken upo unu no ni wan ka wan do mi unu kuj beda tie wan me do do ballo kuj ya turwan wan lokum ginata he yada beru open about it ande kede hangeo ni jo ame miyo jo ngeo jami ber jo me media da ticha wuni titi yuni pa ngeo ka wuni ngeo unu pira kita take piru tek meka pe onero una bera te war unu jo me media ngo wuni ko unu en yun jo me media te war unu kenu chao kene jami do hate ho so one time ni luongu chao ni wan to do yuni ko pe yera mina ni ene chao kene do ya no hana mi yu ka samari mere kita munenu no kita mo lo unu ke da una de tini ya uni kan ni ene do unu ke just about 20 days or maybe some 22 mere jo war yera rola ngome uni playing unu pi lobo uni so wan lo uni ya no ti jama ya de kana ti ami to ko be me pot pera lo mina Dr. Lori Lore me achel an pa nge uni ti beru no kan ni iguma racha uni beru no te no wa kom da ma wada de kwa wa nyo pe nge kita uni nge unu ke de history me turwan eto history me turwani tek kora me ka wan pe oneno unu yore mor me chako neno unu nyi ma te mi unu jo ducho ngeyo history me Uganda ke kana me lao berie un pe ikonyo unu jo me turwan no mi atia ko bukiti wan lao ti jo mora me okeru ginori wiwa unu ame mi wan tamu unu wan per wa tek to ale Uganda kan achoma no pe aten temi jo ken ngeyo ni wan no mi un in fact wan obedo unu jo amin pien wan tamu unu ni ngata me okelo loch ken Uganda kan mo ogamo flag bod British otimo pilao lao en mo timo kata duong Milton bor no bedo dana chelle ken amang langi nyo jo ken no tia konye kire kao no jo ken Uganda kan pe otiu kede aber da koni nyaman ngata ngeo lao pe eto wan otegere konye unu Uganda te nungu loch e ka ote tunu ni chawa moro awan pe ote makunu loch we na ber pola wuni kani na me mani chani ame bedu unu bazukulo kita me dung lobo ni luongo gi kede kado un pe bedu ni ngata ori waru mara me kwome rueyo pe Uganda kan no you are just lucky jama mo ti mere part of it po bedu balwa dang eto wana mishandling jamo kene ame mani ka uni winyo unu jo moro ti alok ame mi un pe neno un anyim yen wanga me wana tu bedu kan ni for us we have done our part jamo kene uni winyo unu some of us there team for you people not for me not for him wando tu ni chawa mora me we have done our part dana mani chani aron loko ginoro ke kenda aron loko ginoro gamete ngato tatu pedata te me ginoro etu un ka pe handling una ber pe huen ana penyu a duong yen na me man tia law Uganda ni o law now for 40 years and it is still counting. Inen uni ni moro tia a pipia miele nyim jo ba ngatora wi balle katia binu lokedu inen tia pipia tia timu kida wan timu kede kani jani. That is how he has managed to rule for 40 years and plus. Eto megwai kan ni wano tiu ongo dewu ni nyim jo ajo lao te pipia you adu yo ma you utu pie wuni nyim jo ame akadi chieng ngoro kono wanu bedu unu lo choro te dugi chieng wa wunu da po keeping unu pien lo po keeping by ngongo de nyim dano awuma chana winyo mego na moro tino na komi kani radio moro utu yele to try explaining ginoro kitame ngato no tia ati mere kiri nyim minister moro gino tino na winyo gi utu ko bia wo bi cha tia wo nyim tia du chien tia. What's the meaning of that? Como no tia ngode nyim minister tia wo nyim tia du wo nyim tia du no tia tia ngode. That is the language lao go bi tia ngod America police mora tiri cha pe woro te mako alano mora no beri lao kana titi pen ngeo jodo mar jai ngode mero no beri do te beri do ngatete hata kala do ndat lan no wawun eta duong lobo ne awini ne no bino kan ni na bino lo ko no kede ne no tia pipia tia ngode state. So kai ti lo kuno gi na me wa yi lao un jo me press ti ma wuno kisa pe bubu unu ne tia wo nyim tia duo what is that ko bunu ko milono no tia timo gi nikiti nyim minister da minister no tia maro da ginor ke no ro ti meri shana sa man gina mi mer wang yi wo no tino wa i chawan en ti me tino no en ame mi wan loso ya i ching wa wuno chalo lang ada te ke wan pudo mede ti mer wuno kitu en no na machel lo choro pe bidu gi ching wa wuno na maria kari lo choro bin duo borwa doko losing wuno ko kitari kwano losing wuno kedi kare amani jotie abolu kuye ba wun jo me media wuni nge wunu jamini aber lawa wunu da ko pien tishu wunu no wani cha can we just fake information wuni mi yo wunu kan ni no moro ti mera me aduongi do nyo ya nyo mi te ya de wet lo pe aberu diki pa aberu diki maja en poda te mo gire mere kitame eno binu da ke la tia lo ke dang lo for 40 years. You are a wando joining and wunu maybe you want to be part of that system. Where who be wunu part of that system. I want now to be wunu ye kunu kada loha moro tie wana wunu be wunu part of that change. Eto ka wana mani puru tu pipia wunu da tu nge wunu very very well. Ni kadi wando timu wunu ngo achalo lao. One for on lokunu gamente. I want to assure you that we cannot do it. Ni kwanyo ka wunu tina me amani ti wunu yang me ti itamu ni kagina onyo lo here nyo wuni. It is not going to be there. The meeting you gunu come ngani one for on lo kunu ka ichawan. Kono digi wuni te yer wunu bobi wine. That or te wote chung te bolle. Ibalo wunu gire kuira duongi maybe pe anu 80% 90% kitentia me together. But it will not make Bobi Wine president. He will not. The one thing you the truth. So kan ngwa wun thing you know tia teni. Ngwa da gengu wun pe de team wunu. Ko wanda obedu wunu ko ye. Ko nenu wunu kida gina wot kede. we one out and then you are one word anuka kobi work on a UPC one is but Pingaton should not misunderstand me. Ana don't pass among you ala UPC. Then at a young age, one job more yeah, cannot work exile. One in a mouth you kedwa, you carry channel run to college and I would not pay to Kunichan. For dollar college, ban a big can one of the terror. Tetero balo, me were recruiting job, me were when Tanzania. Tiu kedwa, one or tino, very young. And now watch here like 1 or 2 look will carry in the end. Kawuniti win you near Minu Neholao. Witting you near Minu Yai, West Nile, because a Yaquin to be Necolam or Cantedo. A Minu Neholangi, Pilau, Lao and I'm a biro te Chimo Lao Mori Leve. I mean, Tequan, that pretty no down. I mean, which a one gay cham, I want to look at you, down no pedo rocking a yawoon. Pian Lao and I'm a Dorowa. Io teno moro canna me borre che ti atticchi metti te ruballi a me carico jo moro che regi beso per te ciocco wow ko te chwallo wow we are finished. So we are just not good people. Lao mite team jami e won lao kene dang nyeko wa de kidi huni wini jo ko bi lao nyek. That is what it is. Eto un jo me media you have to debunk this problem. You are ngwa wana ma cha ko mi yo lao pe o dagere wonu po timu nu gino ara me cha moro ka tinenu gino tim bani cha ne tu loke duni ti jo me ti ma kwa ko ni pien one po tu supporting side door me cha kwa kari ma ko tin for what mi ti ma ho nu pin we just don't share the same tama jo moro kita tamo ke me bu yo pin and we should be left like that da pe o lo enyi kom la moro po tu tim mo but la mo ta me good bot yo moro ni ma jono ko kom a me ka re no ko ligamento ninja da ko no wando pe tu lo ke dutin bien ti jo moro ta me ti ma ko ma jono ko mo ko tuegi o tue wa forward manu pe gina wan ti no kero men lo kan tieni chane wan tu ngi gina wan ti mu na te wan yenyu wunu yore moro me me ligamento wan me da yim a wan te do wunu ye otene no ngo ma ti ma ko pien me te kwaro ni wan do wunu ye ka election to kan piani chani kan da chak lo ya te ha amaro babalo kope piana man ni do duche me tia timu jami chani tia timu ni making sure ni elections will be peaceful ame ana tia me ti una me ti bedu no kan ni timu no gini mi unu ni elections be peaceful pien ka wana go balo uno ko aja ja ko neno uni wana right be bedo una be ani kare mara wor ma chame ya duong yo samoto ti jo kora re jo making ni dekudur wone winyu la da wune ni mar ko buri radio dekud pangyo ka dekudur no bedo ma ana dunga uma cha dunga dung yo sam ko mere pe ni ana ata me dunga jo ko bi deku wan eta manda ha wi ni jo ro pia lunga wale wan ko bedo kaka lunga ni won nyashi intari muti lunga wani won nyashi so pedo angeo anda mana bedo won nyashi to en nyashi ni pedo da angeo ka bedo ni en ngungu da maro katia ko ni lo ken ko pe nyashi da eto ka wun gere wun jo me media ye wun ko ni luwa ni won nyashi na ye gere ko kara kwer eto bedo wun jo mara me ti serious bedo wun jo ko pa me agika me atia mito ko achalo ngata me obedo prime minister kara me adung yo sam ti loj wan ti jama pola me wano tima me da wun jo me media chao ken pe da capture wun chao ken gere capture me chao ken pe ti mu one otio very very close to the ministry me yot kom ote yenyo yuara ngoa me wan mero mi jo me a tong nge kita me miero kope malaria ni miero duoke de ping pien bino metia tie kotino awuno en tichu en wano tia bed ang attack dang your ministry me yot kom ten yang dang e wano wanen wala ka to foundation wanen me handling gino yenda ka wando no wan po chuwe yo wan ta handling yo kenda no malo wana me tiu na machel o awuno pe tichu en na wano tiu no mario wun jo me media daw mede wun kede maybe you teach you and me de wa hanyim yen jo mi ramiro nge ni teacher one to you know and me kope reducing malaria in the chan be attack to 12 pien gina tie ne ko tino wa hen kada jo mor mi wa una tin chen ma te ni wana do tim gun workshop wa mor ke de you bitong un that some of you were there also in that meeting they team unu gina ari che after work unu ko pien it will just be a useless thing so kita wando be unu kar chen o medde unu ke de teach you no we teach you wa hanyim Mario, one now collaborating with the UNFPA, winning a United Nations Fund for Population Activity. The discussions, I mean, one who better get Gapira Tech for Larry Walk, make up a yacht a Nira Tino, Metia Yach. Mogadang Atina, Motia, and Yom, and Mohagim and Yom, for Pero Rom. Kedo, and no cane, make gender based violence, man could you. Pehametia Pimeri, your Luang, your tia to, your tia to, Mary Panga, your tia to very pala. One na chalo ko witong tiswae no pian anytime me wini winyo ni ngatori chobo ngatori pala ngatoro no tio ya te her moro ngato mo chobo dano ngata eno chobo cha dang tio ya te her mer moro so wando miru yenyu wunu yora ngo ame wanu ti wunu ka chiel gina wini lu ni for estate po bergi metu ho ba o yenyu wunu yore moro me kodi ka gino ti mere o yelle wunu me meke wunu shua ni gino eno ti wunu ka chiel me ko ti wunu ginare kawan po timu na man no wano bedo pal duno ka chawa piana manin ka ini neno any ko pela wani cha do negative reports ametia bini Uganda kan down oti almost number 1 or number 2 ba woni ti don na don ni o jon wo no teno wa woni gini pe mi wole ko no wan re ko bedo kitu da don ko pe kwani no kala man da kwani se problem so wani no tu bedo kan de wando ti degrees da ro kwando na kwana ka mi ticha wano ti lao kan ni pe bedo gino ni wano ti miti chunywa gini ko wano ti mo Germany for you people da ka woni miti ye wunu kala pe is your problem me agiki anu ko bi ko pe te kwaro pa miti lo he to alpe wano ti chawa mo ti miti lo ke die eto joni wun pa ngeo da kai chawa kene ka wano ti lo kai winyu wunu yo pe winyu wunu unye winyu wunu eto pe ti miti wunu ngo wano ti mi chawa ni ko kwa me Lango Cultural Foundation ke Lango Cultural Institution cooperative court dape wane na me oteri court josa na me oteri court now cop ka oteri court miru tie it doesn't mean ka oteri copy ban ka ma oteri copy mori court doesn't mean I'm going to win eto anu atia respecting the court process do kati jo mora metie tichi jo moro megine making sure ni gin pe ko lobo chik that is not our problem chika diki wini joko wini jo peti alobo chiki miri taking wunu by you young people you take it very seriously yingi raun bedo toro chik kiti mitu kede toro chik raun bedo kuo raun timo ne abeda nek raun bedo timo but let me assure you one day chika maki raun get timo wuni nge I mean jo tia timo chama pola kuo dan ka kwalo jam yigi te beda yoma kwalo gine but one day it will get you enemy one group ani and one tamani jo ametia team ametia using gain it is just a matter of time Sheikh is going to catch up with them. Some of us may not even be there to see it, but you will say, oh, Johnny Carnute at him. One put you dagon at all. Go can it your lob catchy. The environment money and a tell located any more you go when you are a better one yesterday. Tell Chunkaka, yourself. One, yeah. O Pelunini. Did I just jump there too? One ticket in Lango Cultural Foundation Constitution. Ameco 2017. Ameco Pony. Cowan Yasi Kwame better pay for one reason or the other. Prime Minister Melango Cultural Foundation takes immediately he takes charge of the institution. Dang ye no chiko peti ka Melango Cultural Foundation. Kadi Uganda can kono dicta duong wani amandi kita better pay. Chikobo need the vice president takes over immediately while other things are being done. Now, can't tell no but Chike Lao Cultural Foundation Constitution na May 27 may kobu kiti. Ngomiro ngato chako daga ni gwalo yero ti atimo ti amiyeni ebe. I'm just following the rule and the law. So ka wuna me bedu no kan ni wun pe mi ruwinyo no kodi gino, that is your problem. But I want you to know that is the law. Yingiro mo pie editi kede ngato oro mi sa moro pe en potika ni ngogi, but sooner or later the facts will be out. It ain't the day I went to there is not even going to be there. It's okay. And chika one or two court case and one or two following about you my daring to me. That's how can a peramo bedo in our favor. Long could be her window. It is okay. At one no low cheek up to that point. Kadi cham or can you know team one not deciding one job or two bad lord board josa badly ticket. We can decide how to meet joining it. And so long as this thing T court, that one to me, you can the Jimmy court in me ben mod. Can't no reha bed of Josa to tuncha. Can't don't have to kill a chili and deal with Puha di. I don't know what you could be a wake of guinea bed, go on a tear cover and got a land wow. A year done, you gears out. Now Mario may get you married. Woony bed will job for state to pay Quanu. That guy Quanu Jammy. Imiye wunu ba pe kwana da pe te niang wunu. Ani chao kene tit ke dua lawyer. Constitution me Uganda. Mana donga do law do shoe. Forget about this. Man me lao Cultural Foundation. Uganda Constitution 1995 as amended. Article 246. Kobuni peti ngatori Uganda kana me binu dia me bedi te ngatoro ka peti ameto in terms of cultural. Udi. Article 246 was required to me Uganda Constitution. America ando reha lob chiking o. Under the lob chik that was a lob dushu. Natori yakino no kubi and pabedi te John. And the Constitution protects you. Constitution yen bebe ba me agament me take no year president. Kajini week ba dimo takare jo yero ka gota ho. Wando miru gamu na gama pien kita Constitution me Uganda ko ke miru respecting unungo. Gamente. Make cultural institutions very different. Which you are sure and in the sure that constitution. Do can't tell you Jomoro Johnny. Jomora deke cannot be Omoro can do Rubulao. No, you are just a fool. In fact, you are being stupid. Pien Peti Quano constitution Tico be a Cariana do Casagira, Kajota Berugin Gigo Bedi, you are metia Lobagino Loba. Dan Petuere Canoro, it doesn't even happen. You know, Kobokoi constitution. Can you do loud? A man one or two bedroom can. A cado jo duce ko big NRM do ti popular ni ngoti. Peti no jo ken kan mo be UPC. Jo ken be no. Jo ken be FDC. government moro tia biro to we one photo mi to neno jo UP oriere yore gimoro ducho me kobi o convincing un me uni bedu un group of one two company. And so long as the constitution company Uganda is a multi-party democracy. Ya bera manero. Da eno mio jo ken no tia wo da government ka do tia da go gini ngo. Pe ko ramo ballo te timo gi ginor pien. Gino ka ti lo buchi. Kita ching miru beke. Do government ngo ai miru government timi is me convincing un ko de jo ayoti en ngo gini wan wotu no kara chiel. We hunu jo jo sametia mit. Etu peko they will not force. Amite ko gi kan. Amiyo mina ni ko kop gi ne mara fiti da me. Eka wando se kwanyu. He's not there. Me defining politics. And I know me, we cannot take community, you can again taking it literally. Nika wana man to timu politics to who and me job timu gina we can take community because they think politics is a joke. I don't mean a man tell lawyer wouldn't your mouth law for 40 years. Go over to joking. He will not even be a president today. But the big man doesn't joke. When it comes to serious political dispensation, it is not a joke. So one peru korea one get to coca will be to kubi and then without a taco that to who care as if it is and me could be winning one for round bed winning like I want to take politics as a joke. Bobby to ginorme too. For that won't you met you at your age? Please. Some of us are not much when you get to a woman paying 6 feet deep. You are not here 1 to 12 cow nan and pay and no kind of want to work in here. That Mohamoro get a cow bound year. Long or get put a beanie lodge. King we are part of Uganda. But I shudder to imagine. Nicoli Joanna, one or two get in here, Metia West at a time, Metia Pupiani. One long count or town when you don't get wrong lodge. The time we think. But Ugandans will not allow. So unke bedu no pia man no. Pipia uno, Timo Kodigino can atia company. Nobody will take us seriously. Then remember Neka unity be the president of Uganda. Ugandans do sumero taking him seriously. Eto kaka joy senior quarters can metia taking you seriously. Eto kobi ni bedo. Tell me Uganda. You better think twice. I don't Jacob. Reporting. You're reporting I know I'll pay ye. I want to know that require winning. Mwaha nyenda mea bino omede wono kede balance reporting objective reporting reporting amenu itike the facts hata mani level of journalism mi laun kan tia mede iroma baya kadi macha wando kelo school of journalism and mass communications at Lere University hata mani even much better because vision not here. We're going to have that school at Lere University. Ikara me put karabo. So monona machel na Mario. One of the emphasizing with the Mokone Lao Cultural Foundation of an institution making ye me existing. And to better tier Lao Cultural Foundation Pegao institution no can be better tier. One in a democratic space, within a democratic community, democratic nation. I'm going to get all forms of sovereignty. You're aware of. Including cultural sovereignty. So one a chalabara joame Tero Lang Cultural Foundation. Medical board president Lang Cultural Foundation pay no chung become dana chiel individual. To be specific, Lang Cultural Foundation pay no chung become Yosamaduri B. Yosamaduri B a leader of an institution. A leader of an institution at all, Eka institution not at all. It means ne institution no petty run on the best
principles of leadership and governance. Enoka a leader of an institution or eka institution not a it means the institution not run based on correct principles of governance, administration, leadership. So to ayo samaduri be unuotieni atimere. Just like all of us, we shall die at one point or the other. But gina one period me one time me president one leadership was very based on legacy as a bear, when your practice as a bear, when your team a besho metela. As yell the yame one promising boru keri bot lao, keri bot Uganda ni one o medeme a guoko obedo legacy me punyere. Ame yosa maduri be unu tia tuti ya tak tutual. Keri legacy me yot kom. Wana mi ne kom lao be the yot komi rom dushu. Keri legacy me ti uti attack mena ni lim oberi chingjo. Ilang Cutural Foundation wana binu uja hoda doko me punyo jo ikobi kum jama baisho ame kero le michawgi pur jama baisho ame kero le michawgi keri kai chara wel principles ame miyo chat wel no ko kiti gwak ko chente pe chara wel kai no magoba ai te mata marra nyete tich keri komon wana meto ni ogwak legacy me gwak ko chente on your savings metim investments nyo yiko wera piny kit me lao luo kere ame mano bedo best practices ame wano neno imwake pol ame yosa maduri bi hotelo kere lao Cutural Foundation ega wanda mero ni human livelihood nyo kwa dano be dame odon ban gina wana chunye wan po mero chung ikobi kum dipu wite konyerpe ikobi kum lwenya konyerpe da wan po yenyo kore kum ngatro da wan kwa ene ngaro da pe yen kore komwa Uganda is big enough for us. Lao is so big for us. One shani, Lao lokoti jo million, Ario, Mirbedi, Tutumia be 2.5. Era ramina komune, Jo Ameramo, million aparo can put up for mede comuna to be Lao can comfortably. As long as one ngeo kireme bero karashiel, kireme nyako, lawyer me one take it, kireme nyako pehoa. So this Lango is big enough for all of us. Uganda is big enough for all of us. Uganda 2 million when we have beach lucky. At Uganda product a million near Shell can. You million a bit. You know, is not small. This is correct. Ame mana timere kawana beru kere leadership meta kwaro a bear. Ame jo nyaye, ame jo ngeo o ngeo notro. A poha meti yakirangi, you know, unity in diversity. Peter nika a chero shining ni polo kucha chero can do pa shining. You know ha chero shining. A chero can do shining. So one minute your dishu shining along can that one me to kuch. Ba giki ala mi runya ko emphasizing ko become election my prime minister ko wono. One mi ni o ko matira tir. One kwayo lao kwayo joma Uganda. Ni biro lwenya kidi government ta kwanyo wa. Wan nungo gina bear kawan ye me not kere government mo nya ka don rachingo kan ye me not kere oloto inu gina bear ye I bible da hamara me no beru a rock oberu tati an Yesu Kristo ajo ta ko yetu ni en oberu rock tata miriamo ko Yesu ko me dang tengal e ko ka yin titi mo kane imiru chiemo tino pingo chiemo tino ko boli guok da jare ko ne to guok dang bero de ko mo me ti te meya ame gini te mako Yesu kere banya Yesu ko ne pi muoro ni kere pi tek chunyi pe ko ni dushu be chao ko ye so wana biro ni government wana ti kere government the chao ti kere program me connecting major roads districts dushu wana kere districts abong when me connecting districts dushu kere lam government amane chao ni okelo education system anyen na ma lo ni competence based onyo puonye ma chungi kom diro one of new ole tam ke government memme yowa labs memme yowa exhibition centers memme yowa libraries state of the art memme yowa equipment me punyo tinwa na wana timo kitu kawa tikele lobbying power so wana kwa yoni bolli NRM queer bolli president Museveni queer ilira kan da wana kwa yoni bolli honorable Dr. Jane RuthAceng queer tu yam ku jadang bolli santa lum queer district du wana tikele jo ame government tiu kedgi ame geno beru yelle me dongo dongo Uganda ko pe beru di dipu which politically beru koni one kani traditionally one tradition lomo da chobukani invented tradition that take when tradition changes. So I want to just make a quick summary. We are here for peace. We are leaders of Lango Cultural Foundation, and we want to continue with the good legacies and best leadership practices that were bequeathed upon us by the late His Highness Joseph Maduiri B. One of them is education. Another one is human livelihood, especially health. Another one is peace. Joseph was a peace lover. And we are promising now, we are promising Uganda that we are devoted and committed to pursuing these legacies. We are not going to cause problems for anybody. We don't intend to do so. We intend to work with everybody, irrespective of our political, cultural diversities, irrespective of our negative histories. We want to see how to correct, these negative historical experiences that have divided Laos for a very long time, and we are very devoted to this. But we are also not going to allow ourselves to be intimidated by anybody, and this must be taken very seriously. Nobody has the capacity to intimidate and disrupt the smooth operations of Lango Cultural Foundation. We want to advise everybody to take this season very seriously. This is an election season. We are going to elect our leaders for the next 5 years, but we want to promise that given our guidance as clan leaders, our people are going to vote correctly. We implore that where possible, let's vote good leadership. President Museveni is still strong, he's still intelligent, he has a good vision and good ambition for this country. We want to cooperate with him. We want to cooperate with all organs of government to make sure that these elections are smoothly conducted. We don't wish anybody bad luck in this very trying political season. We want everybody to go through this election safely until we are sure that Uganda is on the smooth path of progress. Thank you very much, members of the press.
For you. Lango bino karachiel tenote gamende dante bino reti karachiel ote yiko papisham kere woro kuogo mor ducho ame gamente miyo jo ame otiuri chatek wana chalo jo aro odong chalo leaders ame Fredo gwalo ye tiatelo chalo wod nyasi metutuno kun chumi pen chik me Lango Cultural Foundation 2017 amito moko bolwal melao ni tiche wataber tiche mere yuchamo weho waye na chiel me kwero witong awuoro machani wan kwera witong me okira hokwero chowo emi jodo ya yom ni mano juma chiel mahabino otikere list me witong aroma dek amedo obino borwa ame amite won nyasi pitu tuno Fredo gwalo ye okwere amuta bera doko nuo boto witong adek
ame pot pe ko nyingi kan ame oyai tu lao tu bon lao ka tru institution ame dang re gin ko ni ko ngu wiro ge adokte ko wando ko wige ame mono nyuro ne lango kane wangi ti ayabere me duo ko mate kan ame ubero ta kwara titeni ame onu atela mere ubero yusamu duri be Jomwahane lao Cutural Foundation obeo kana tek pieni tuma mwaha atela wigi kwa mero tum. Ento imwaha bino wano beru kede activity apire tek. Polerwok me yero wonyasi anyen. Ame kwaj tie bod luak melao me achiel me koro kita yubani aberu kede supporting process. Me ario chwalo kwaj botu witong ame tikere mirre me talo lao wame wonyasi ni lao Cutural Foundation bino chwalo aho official information ama ho kita me election me wonyasi aberu kede mwaha bino eto pia mane ni wano meto poyo langi ame otiu kedwa ame omiwa tiu tija be menen ni lao Cutural Foundation kede tela mere wara be mida poyo gamente me Uganda polero president Museveni ame kare pero me wa support jalo te kwaro melao kero tela mete kwaro kire down pero me yo kon borro ko kene ni te kwaro mero ko kene Lana tawni kita me Uganda tia donyo kere yera ni wana chalo lao Cutural Foundation wana ngu participating ai by bolo kui by chwako tela besho kedang dok me kobe ilwak melao kita me miero yera bet kere kodi jo mena miero yeri pian ya gikimere wan luang melao da ngumi to dong lo mero bin pachi lao kan kita tungu kene dang tia dong kere pian wan dok pero gelle ken wade charo ro melao wana miero note kere bunyoro choli tasho kole meno ni utiu kere gamente ameti loj da pap yusham ameonu bera tela washia enu kobi luak melao ni miero ti kere gamente ameti loj pien jama me mite ama hoko me dongo logo bara keto lami yo school datal kere peace yai bot gamente natora chiel kene petwero kwanyi chiene mere chao mere me keto lami yo
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.